Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by assessing the basics: genetics, age range, and overall hormonal health. These set realistic expectations. Once done, tighten diet and sleep immediately. Good rest and protein support hair cycles. Then implement a daily routine: gentle cleanser, exfoliate 2 times per week, and perform targeted beard massages for 5 minutes each evening to increase blood flow. Make sure to track changes monthly so you can judge progress and decide on next interventions. Next, focus on targeted treatments and disciplined routines that convert vellus into terminal hairs. If you consider topicals, consult a clinician, apply exactly as directed, and commit for 3-6 months to evaluate. Introduce microneedling with a 0.51 mm roller once weekly, then soothe with a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Meanwhile, keep beard hygiene. Shampoo 2 to 3 times weekly, condition, and trim strategically to encourage uniform growth. This helps the appearance while biology catches up. To finish, consolidate gains and prepare for troubleshooting. Take monthly photos and notes on regimen adherence. Hair takes time. Expect gradual, sometimes uneven improvement across 3 to 12 months. If significant patchiness persists after about 6 to 12 months, consult a dermatologist for hormone panels and to discuss professional options like in-clinic therapy. If irritation or poor results occur, stop suspect products, reduce mechanical friction, and protect treated skin from sun to prevent complications and allow recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.